Okay, everybody come here. Come. Now I'll tell you one by one about the tree or plants. This is Ashok. Beside you are standing. This is the Ashok tree. Ashok tree is very important for environment. The botanical name of this tree is Saraka Ashoka. Okay, it is useful to clear the color of skins. Also gives the relief in pain or save us from the number of infections. But it depends on the person who knows the use of this tree. Ashok is mostly found in government or private offices. It's grown for beauty. It makes the environment clean, fresh air. Generally, every plant or tree refresh our environment. Same work is done by Ashok. And just near about this tree, he is Parijat. Name of the tree is the Parijat. It is known for beautiful flower. Generally, the plants or the tree give the flower in spring season. Let's come to see this beautiful and big tree. Its name is Kadam. Do you know the use of this tree? चलो हम बताते हैं. Its stem very heavy. It has also many medicinal qualities, but rare of the people know about that. Let's come to see one more plant. This one is Kumudni. It's a flowering plant. Its size is like a herb. It's a herb or a called a bush. झाड़ी नुमा ये होता है. ये देखिए बहुत बढ़िया ये फूल देता है. And it gives a beautiful flower. यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर जो प्लांट है वो फ्लावर्स के लिए हैं. And now the next one is मेहंदी. This one is the मेहंदी. Do you know मेहंदी or henna? We use directly when we grind the leaf of this plant and make a powder, or directly we grind it and make a paste and apply on hand. It's useful to color our hands. It's not only useful for color, but it's the antifungal. It gives the relax from disease, number of disease, especially infection disease, fungal infection or infectional disease. So the people use this for coloring their hair or to remove the infection of their head. So this one is also very important. This is kaner. Do you know the name of the kaner? Okay, kaner. There are many varieties of kaner found in India. Okay, the use of this, we generally grow this plant in our campus for beauty. It gives beautiful flower. This one is the lemon. The name of the lemon is a citrus lemon, and the scientific botanical name citrus lemon. It has the citric acid. Which acid it has? It has citric acid. It's very important because of its acidic quality. It's an antioxidant, and to reduce the weight it is useful, and to remove the kidney stone also it's very useful. You know very well about this because in summer days you basically use lemon juice very much, and that is called the nibu pani in Hindi. You take too much. And Ashok, and that one is kaner, but there is no proper visibility. Okay, and this one is a anjeer. This one is a kanji. Local name of this tree is kanji and karanj, some of that. And the useful oil, इसमें oil tree है, ये useful oil tree है. Its oil is good for to reduce the pain, body pain. When we massage over the body by this oil, especially the hand and the legs or back side of the body, it gives the instant relief from the pain. Okay, this one is very important. And near about this there is a small plant. It's a tulsi. Tulsi, the name of the tulsi, the Ocimum sanctum, the scientific name of the tulsi, Ocimum sanctum. You know already about the use and importance. It's an auspicious medicinal plant when we have a cough, cold, or blood pressure, high blood pressure, low blood pressure. In all the conditions we use. Or Ayurveda, in our Ayurveda, the experts knows all the use of this plant. But when we prepare tea, we add 2-3 leaf of this plant in our tea. And the next one, this one is a bekla. Hindi name of this plant is bekla. You know, this दिस प्लांट यूज़फुल टू रिड्यूस बॉडी पेन, इसको बॉडी पेन इसे गर्म करके बॉडी पे लगा सकते हैं। एंड इसका एक और यूज़ है कि इसको कच्चा चबा कर भी खा सकते हैं। व्हेन वी ईट एंड च्यू इट, इट रिड्यूस आवर कफ एंड हॉर्सनेस। ओके, so it's very useful. So in this campus, most of or all the trees are very important, whether we know their importance or not. And this one is a chandni. Do you know the chandni? How is the use? That it's plants, basically we use it for our beauty, but most of the time the people use its root. And this one is rose. I think rose has no flower this time, it has a small flower and it is the root of all evils. कहते हैं ना, रोज ये सारे उधम की जड़ है। everywhere in poetry or everywhere the people use the rose. Okay, in the movie also it is appeared everywhere in movie. And rose, we use the rose water, जैसे गुलाब जल कहते हैं। and गुलाब कतरी, that the people who sells the betel nut or betel leaf, they add gulab katri in betel. So it's also very useful for decoration. And this one again the kaner, and this one is a krishna kamal. There are so many variety of krishna kamal. This one is a elephant ear भी इसे अरबी भी बोलते हैं, वैसे अरबी इसकी दूसरी वैरायटी है। इट्स एलिफेंट ईयर, इसका जो कंदमूल होता है इट्स यूज़फुल टू मेक वेजिटेबल। ओके, एंड दिस वन इज़ अ कृष्ण कमल। ओके, ये देखिएगा द कृष्ण कमल, इट इज़ वेरी यूज़फुल फॉर डेकोरेशन। इट गिव्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर। सो पीपल grow this plant at their home for decoration, or that's why it is found in school campus for beauty. And this one is इसे हम बोलते हैं गुड़हल या जासौन। हिंदी में कहें तो जासौन, इंग्लिश में इसे कहते हैं, इंग्लिश में हिंदी में जासमिन या गुड़हल। दैट गुड़हल हैज़ मैनी वैरायटी, इट्स आल्सो नेसेसरी फॉर डेकोरेशन, बट इन आयुर्वेद it has multiple use. It has many use to reduce our disease or to recovery health when we have the sickness or something. It is called, इसे हम हिंदी में अस्ता बोलते हैं। अस्ते का पेड़ बोलते हैं इसे, और इसे कचनार भी बोलते हैं। अस्ते का पेड़ और कचनार भी इसको बोलते हैं। It is useful in swelling, when the human body has a swelling, we use this plant. I don't know how to use, but it is very useful. And every plant gives the environmental balance or shadow. Okay, every plant has their own value. It's a mango, Mangifera indica. You know, it is the king of fruit. Everybody knows, that is why I will not tell more about it. Everybody knows about it. And next one, this one is a sesame. Do you know the sesame? इसे बोलते हैं डलबर्जिया शिशु, the botanical name Dalbergia shishu. That sesame plays a very important role in our commercial world. It's wood very heavy and durable. Generally people make furniture of this wood. Okay, and next one, what is this? This is also the kumudni. Here kumudni and आक या इसे अकौआ या आकड़ा इसे बोलते हैं लोकल लैंग्वेज में, अकौआ। इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर रिड्यूस अवर पेन। व्हेन ह्यूमन बॉडी हैज़ अ पेन, वी हीट अप द लीफ ऑफ दिस प्लांट एंड वी cover on body part where is a pain. Suddenly it relieve the pain of person, but it's milk very danger. We should be very very careful when we use it. Okay, it should not be in our eyes. Okay, this one is a champa. Do you know the champa tree? It's also a medicinal plant. It is generally known for its flower, but also has many medical qualities. And next one is the bel patra. We offer this bel patra on Lord Shiva or on every god in